Hey everybody, this your girl Chelsey. Had to do a voiceover because the audio wasn't working, but we're here at my open house. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, single family corner lot house, very big in square footage right here in Coral Gables. My open house is today, Sunday, from 1 to 3. It was raining so bad earlier today, but we're going to still keep pushing through. And here's my open house. I might extend it 30 more minutes if you guys let me know that you guys are coming. Yeah, so I'm doing a voice order because like I said, the audio was so bad, but I was not going to waste a good content. Because everything is content, even mess ups, edits, and stuff like that. I really love the way how that sun hits my skin right now. I love it. But we're going to show you this house. So let me show you this house.